Hello there, Justin Showers, Principal Broker, Home Basics Real Estate. I've got the most amazing property. It's truly a gem here in Springville. And I've just been so impressed with Springville. You know, people are coming into these neighborhoods and they're revitalizing these homes. And this is no exception. This home has really been fixed up, cared for, improved. It's better than when the owners found it. And that is just a dream, I think. Really well taken care of street here. Of course, we have lovely mountain views here in Springville. We love those. Look at that garage door. I love that. It's been sort of painted just to match the character. These custom shutters on each side of the window look amazing. Just look at the roof line. You just don't find a home like this. And this is a full brick home, by the way, all the way around. Let's come on inside here. All right. So we're in the entryway, and of course you can go into the kitchen from here, and you can also go to the left here. They've got a huge family room. I hope that the video is taking in just how big this is. The dimensions are incredible. In fact, it's big enough to have a formal dining room if you'd like, along with your living room furniture, etc. They do have a custom texture on the ceiling and the walls. They've got this really handsome crown molding. I hope you guys can see this. And it's more than just crown. Like, we have these awesome carpentry elements all around the window, beautiful tall baseboards. You gotta get a load of this brand new flooring. It's just gorgeous. I love it. One of the more unique fireplaces I've ever seen. I just love that look. And then you've got some built-in cabinetry here, that cool glass work. Back towards the kitchen, you see there's a little pass-through. Again, you can use this as a formal dining room. I'll go into the kitchen here. You'll see that this is a fully updated kitchen. We've got that beautiful blonde wood cabinetry there. We have some really unique solid surface countertops. It's an integrated sink. Love that. Stainless steel appliances, including the dishwasher, and of course the built-in microwave is so important. A gas range, love that. Now these cabinets go all the way to the ceiling, and they are topped with that great looking crown molding. One thing I also want to point out is that these may not be brand new windows, but they are newer windows. This has been updated, and that is a major, major expense if you've ever had to replace windows. So I'm loving this. All right, we're gonna go back beyond the kitchen and the living room. It transitions into a beautiful slate tile. We have bedroom number 1 here on the main floor. Brand new carpet. I'm probably the second person to step on it. How's that? And you've got blinds on the windows. They're wood lined. Every one of the windowsills also has that that solid surface countertop material on them. And so that'll last you forever. Crown molding. Gosh, just can't get enough of this. Little hall closet. Of course, these older homes have the built-ins. How fun is that? Here's a really nicely updated bathroom. Beautiful vanity, nice tops. I just love this. I mean, somebody spent a fortune here. Cultured marble surround in your bathtub. The shelving, nice for the soap. It looks good, you guys, so good. Bedroom number 2 on the main floor. Nice sized bedroom. Crown molding. Everything looks turnkey. Some of that brand new carpet. Nice light fixtures. Tons of natural light, by the way. You have, 2 windows in this bedroom. So I love the way that feels and looks. Now this is really a unique feature when you come over here. This locks off for privacy. If you have a long-term guest or something like that, they can actually come through this separate entrance, which is just brilliant, right? They're not gonna bother you, you're not gonna bother them. Here is a 1-car garage, okay? And it is actually a functional 1-car garage because it does have an opener. I mean, you can actually park in here. And then there's your sprinkler box, right? We've got some additional shelving. I love that this is sort of a raised bungalow. So we're really, the windows, there's no window wells. The windows are above grade, which allows all that natural light. Okay, we have a really great area here. I suppose if somebody wanted to add a second kitchen, they could. You'll find plumbing right next to that washer and dryer with a separate entrance if you're looking to combine families with your, with some of your family members. This is maybe a really great option for you. Now let me take you into this bedroom here. In fact, this really is the master suite if you want it to be. It's obviously much cooler down here in the basement, which is totally awesome. And I hope you're picking up the dimensions here. I mean, you could put a king size bed in here and still have room for the other furnishings that may come with your bedroom set. Now, it has a private bathroom, okay? This is the elongated toilet. We have a really good looking tub there. Nice vanity. Can you see all the gorgeous tile work in here? I mean, it's just top notch. All of that. So what a beautiful, beautiful suite this is. And I'm just gonna peek in here and show you. You got your closet. Just love these doors, by the way, because it kind of just goes with the theme, the character of the home. And that's what they've tried to maintain throughout. Character, right? Okay, your washer and dryer would go there. Your furnace and your water heater are in this closet. Then we've got, obviously, a great storage room. Now this is a big surprise here. This is just an enormous family room. And in the family room is an awesome fireplace. Look how long that hearth is. It's just a beautiful, beautiful spot. Okay, we've got a lot of good can lighting in here. And you know, this is ready to go for cable TVs. So it becomes really a theater / family room. Now, if you need it to be an extra bedroom, that's exactly what it is. You got windows, you got a closet, but I have a feeling you're gonna put your theater down here and just have a totally awesome place to hang out. Now, you've got all of these grapevines that are growing. They look real healthy. They'll be very productive. We'll go along the side of the house here. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Give us a call for a private tour or call the agent that provided this for you. Let's get you through here. It's vacant, ready to sell.